So, good day, Sir Neil. I am Reto Verbasa. I am a criminology student, and this is the code of 497 UGE1. So today I am reciting the reflection of SQ5R. This is my expectation at first of what is reading or SQ5R. Sa simula is akala ko mahirap ito na steps, and mas ganing mahirap na process, pero madali lang pala kapag sinunod mo steps by steps. And what is SQ5R now? SQ5R is about stands for survey, question, read, recite, review, and reflect. It is a study of reading strategy that helps improve comprehension and retention. This is my expectation before learning this method. I expected it to be just another reading technique with no major impact. I thought it might take more time to use and would slow me reading. And what I did not know. I didn't know how to each step, especially the recite and reflect, would help me actively remember what I've read. And I also didn't understand how forming questions before reading could guide my focus. So this is what I have learned. I learned that breaking down the reading process into these steps make it more interactive now. Instead of passively reading, I ask questions, post to recite key ideas and reflection on the material. This helped me retain more information from what I read, and it improves. Yes, this is ito ay nagbibigay ng improvements sa akin. I've seen improvements, for example, when reading a textbook. I used the SQL method and could recall the main points easily during school quiz. And my summary was more organized and accurate. I also felt more confident discussing the content because I had actively perceived it. Overall, SQ5R has improved how I approach reading academic texts. I plan to keep using it because it helped me stay focused and remember more. And that's all for what I learned and what I my reflection on SQ5R reading.